Welcome to Dradis Pro version 3.3. I want to highlight a few of the new features and updates here. The first is a feature that saves drafts in your browser cache. If you forget to hit save or you hit a connection issue that prevents you from saving, your changes are still safe. When you edit the content again, a pop-up will appear and allow you to recover your changes. We've also shipped a TFS integration. You can now send any issue in your project to VSTS. On the Microsoft side, this creates a new work item. Finally, we've also created a new way for you to configure your whole Dradis instance at once. By uploading a kit, you can upload report templates, methodologies, project templates, and even configure report template properties all at the same time. Dradis version 3.3 also comes with other new features like performance improvements to the Word exporter and much more. Check out the full release notes in the portal and download your upgrade file there.